Conrad Hilton founded Hilton Hotels and Resorts, which is now one of the most well-known hotel brands in the world. In 2019, the hotel chain surpassed 500 hotels in 94 countries around the world. If you're looking for a great hotel stay, there are many Hilton hotels to choose from. Choose from luxury brands like WALDORF, ASTORIA and CONRAD to budget chains like True. There's always a Hilton property to suit your needs. Are you ready to plan a fantastic vacation? We've compiled a list of the best Hilton resorts in the world that you can book right now. 10. WALDORF Astoria Park City from around $435 per night. The WALDORF Astoria Park City in Utah has a restaurant, an outdoor pool, a fitness center, and a bar. This property features family rooms as well as a terrace for guests. Guests can take advantage of a 24-hour front desk, room service, and luggage storage at the hotel. Every room in the resort has a flat-screen TV. Some rooms include a kitchen with a dishwasher, microwave, and refrigerator. Breakfast is served either continentally or à la carte at this resort. Guests are welcome to use the hot tub at the accommodation. Hiking and skiing are popular activities in the area, and ski equipment rental is available. The resort also has a business center where guests can use the fax machine, photocopier, and ATM machine. The Tabernacle is 29.2 miles from the property, and Kimball Art Center is 4.8 miles away. Salt Lake City International Airport is 30.4 miles away from the property. 9. CONRAD TULUM Riviera Maya, from around $464 per night. CONRAD TULUM Riviera Maya is located in Tulum, Mexico, 200 yards from Kemile Beach, and offers accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, free bikes, and an outdoor swimming pool. The hotel has a private beach and a variety of water sports facilities, as well as a bar and a spa and wellness center. There is a fitness center, evening entertainment, and a 24-hour front desk at the property. The rooms at the resort include a wardrobe, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen, and towels. This resort has some units with sea views and rooms with balconies. The accommodation rooms include a seating area. Every morning, continental and buffet breakfast options are available. There is a terrace at the resort. Snorkeling and cycling are popular activities in the area, and car rental is available. The property is 1.1 miles from Xcastle Beach, and Tulum Archaeological Site is 13.7 miles away. Cancun International Airport is 60.3 miles away from CONRAD TULUM Riviera Maya. 8. WALDORF Astoria Monarch Beach Resort and Club, from around $653 per night. This California resort, located on a hillside overlooking the Pacific Ocean in Dana Point, has 2 restaurants and 5 bars and lounges, in-room dining, 3 swimming pools including a children's pool, a championship golf course. There is private beach access. Each guest room includes a private balcony or terrace, and a 50-inch LCD TV. There is also a luxurious ensuite bathroom with marble tile, an oversized bathtub, and a separate shower. Guests can dine directly on the beach. Seafood, meats, poultry, and produce are all locally sourced, natural, and organic. The bar serves premium French champagne and cognac, as well as a large selection of Scotch whiskey. Massage therapy, facials, and body treatments are available, as are hair and nail services, yoga, and a sea-to-spa package. For guest relaxation, there is an outdoor pool with fully equipped cabanas, as well as a children's pool and a lagoon pool. Monarch Beach Kids Club provides a children's program as well as babysitting services. 7. WALDORF Astoria Dubai Palm Jumeirah, from around $388 per night. This WALDORF Astoria, located on the world-famous Palm Jumeirah, offers luxury rooms and suites with panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf. This elegant beach resort features a 200-yard private beach, 2 temperature-controlled swimming pools, water sports activities, tennis courts, a spa, and a kids club. There is free Wi-Fi throughout the property. All of the spacious rooms are decorated in a modern style and feature the signature WALDORF Astoria beds. The rooms have a large balcony with views of the Palm Jumeirah or the Dubai skyline. Each room features a comfortable seating area, a workstation, and a 42-inch flat-screen television. The white marble bathrooms feature a large bath with a TV, a walk-in shower, and luxury amenities. Guests can select from 6 restaurants and bars for a varied dining experience, including Arabic-inspired cuisine at Mezuri, Southeast Asian flavors at Lao, and fine casual dining at Social. Palm Avenue Restaurant and Lounge has a terrace with private cabanas where guests can enjoy cocktails and international cuisine. Serafina Bar features a signature cocktail menu and live entertainment in the evenings. 6. Mango House Seychelles, LXR Hotels and Resorts, from around $755 per night. Mango House Seychelles has a restaurant and a bar. This 5-star hotel provides a 24-hour front desk as well as room service. The hotel offers beachfront rooms and villas with private terraces or balconies overlooking the Indian Ocean. The dining experience includes 5 distinct dining and drinking venues with cuisine inspired by Southern Malaya culinary heritage. The property features several plunge pools, a wellness sanctuary with 2 dedicated treatment rooms, and tailor-made, non-motorized water sport activities provided by local eco-adventure company Seoul Seychelles. The resort is situated on Mahé's southwest coast in its own bay known as Ans Aux Pools Blues. Mango House Seychelles is 0.6 miles from Ans Soleil Beach, and Morne Blanc Trail is 6.2 miles away. Seychelles International Airport is 5.6 miles away. 5. SUSONA BODRUM, LXR Hotels and Resorts, from around $254 per night. SUSONA BODRUM Hotels and Resorts, located on the amazing seafront, provides luxury accommodation in Turkey. There is an outdoor pool, a spa and wellness center, a terrace, jetties, and a beach club at the resort. Guests can dine at one of 3 restaurants or have a drink at the bar. On site, there is free private parking and Wi-Fi. The air-conditioned rooms and villas at this resort have views of the sea and include a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a safe box, and a work desk. There is a seating area in each room where you can unwind. Certain rooms include a terrace or balcony. Private bathrooms include a bath and a shower. Bathrobes, slippers, a hairdryer, and free toiletries are provided for your convenience. The property has a front desk that is open 24 hours a day. SUSONA BODRUM also provides currency exchange, luggage storage, and valet parking. Guests can enjoy the common terrace and sip a drink in the garden. 4. CONRAD BORA BORA Nui, from around $958 per night. CONRAD BORA BORA Nui is exclusively located in a private cove on Motu Topu and boasts expansive blue ocean views and a white sand beach. The property includes luxurious villas floating on the lagoon's turquoise waters and perched on the tropical hillside. Guests can swim in the infinity pool, be pampered with a treatment at the day spa, or dine at one of 4 restaurants. The renovated air-conditioned villas have wooden floors and an elegant marble bathroom. Each has a large lounge area with a flat-screen cable TV. There is a pillow menu that can be customized, a walk-in closet with a vanity desk, and a selection of complimentary beverages. Some villas include private infinity plunge pools and catamaran-style nets with ocean views. The resort has 3 bars, a children's club, a hilltop spa, and a fitness center. There is free Wi-Fi throughout. The property is about a 20-minute boat ride away from the airport. 3. CONRAD Koh Samui, from around $506 per night. The chic CONRAD Koh Samui provides a luxurious and private beachfront retreat with views of the Gulf of Thailand. Private infinity pools and free Wi-Fi are available in the large villas. Villas overlooking Ao Tai Beach are spread across 25 acres of tropical hillside with breathtaking sunset and ocean views. Each villa has a private pool of 10 yards, an espresso machine, and a marble bathroom with an oversized bathtub. They each have a living room with a flat-screen television. Samui Butterfly Garden and Samui Tiger Zoo are both within a 15-minute drive of CONRAD Koh Samui. The resort is 45 minutes from Samui Airport. Guests can do yoga outside or snorkel in clear waters alongside coral reefs. The spa, which has panoramic sea views, offers a variety of pampering beauty treatments and massage therapies. Jan Restaurant serves contemporary fine dining Thai cuisine, while Zest Restaurant serves traditional casual Thai cuisine. Azure Bar and Grill serves Mediterranean specialties. 2. WALDORF Astoria Los Cabos Pedregal, from around $1,800 per night. This WALDORF Astoria Los Cabos Pedregal in Mexico has private pools in the rooms, a private beach area, and a cutting-edge fitness center. Guests are greeted with a complimentary margarita cocktail. Each room includes free Wi-Fi, an ocean view, and a complimentary tequila bottle. An Nespresso coffee machine and 24-hour room service are available for an additional fee. The resort has 3 restaurants that serve modern Mexican cuisine and seafood specialties. Every day, fresh fruit, noon snacks, and drinks are served in the rooms. Among the amenities are a sauna, massage services, a spa, and hot tubs. Guests can go snorkeling, diving, or fishing in the nearby area. Los Cabos International Airport is 28 miles away and can be reached by a fee-based airport transfer service. The resort is also only 1.2 miles from Cabo San Lucas's central business district. 1. WALDORF Astoria Maldives ITHAAFUSHI, from around $3,400 per night. WALDORF Astoria Maldives ITHAAFUSHI is located in South Male Atoll and spans 2.2 miles of greenery and beaches across 3 islands encircling a lagoon. This opulent hotel has 11 distinct dining options, including Chinese, Middle Eastern, and a signature treetop restaurant. Each villa has a large outdoor living space with an infinity pool, and a swing daybed for relaxation. The villa's horizontal architecture layout ensures a spectacular view of the azure waters. A selection of teas, an espresso cafe, a minibar, and in-room iPad control are among the villa amenities. A luxurious and contemporary bathroom featuring walk-in closets, a double vanity, an indoor and outdoor shower, and a deep soak oval tub. The property includes a wellness spa as well. Diving and a water sports center are on-site activities, as are yoga, a tennis court, a fitness center, and a young discovery park with daily children's programs and babysitting services. Every villa provides complimentary bicycles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.